In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Squarespace website code. When people ask about downloading a Squarespace site, they usually mean one of two things: getting a copy of their content or getting the actual template code that makes the site run. Squarespace supports the first, but not the second. So let's walk through exactly what you can take with you and how to do it. You can export your site's core content using Squarespace's built-in export tool. From your site's home menu, open Settings, choose Import and Export, and click Export. Squarespace will prepare a downloadable file that contains items like basic pages, blog posts, standard text, and the images that are attached to those items. Think of this as your portable content library. It's ideal for backups or for moving the essentials to another platform where you'll rebuild the layout. If you're working with an older Squarespace 5 site, there's one extra option. Certain style templates, essentially saved style configurations, can be exported and reused on another Squarespace 5 site. This doesn't include the underlying template engine, but it can help you keep a consistent look between old sites on the same version. Any custom code you added yourself can also be saved, but you'll do it manually. Open each code block on your pages, copy the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript you placed there, and paste it into a local document. Do the same for custom CSS, as well as any header or footer code injection. Label each snippet so you know where it belonged, and store the files with your exported content for safekeeping. Here's the important limitation to keep in mind. Squarespace doesn't offer a full site package export. The proprietary template code, the layout engine, style editors, and the server-side logic all live on Squarespace's platform and aren't downloadable as a self-contained website you can host elsewhere. Advanced page types and blocks, including some galleries, product and commerce pages, events, and other dynamic features, don't export completely, if at all. That means if you import your export file into a different system, expect to rebuild the design and many layouts by hand. The raw content carries over, the exact design does not. This isn't a bug, it's how the service is built, and it's confirmed widely by developers and users alike. So the practical approach is simple. Use the export tool for content, manually copy any custom code you added, and plan to recreate the visual structure on the new platform. With that understanding, you'll get the most reliable result from your Squarespace site.